Hello, welcome back to another daily Magic the Gathering pack opening. Today we're opening a pack of Spider-Man. Let us get right into it. Looks like we have Flip, Amazing Acrobatics, Spider-Gwen, Guy in the Chair, Venom's Hunger, Oscorp Research Team, Gallant Citizen, Spider-Bot, Damage Control Crew, Scorpion Seething Striker, Chameleon Master of Disguise, Maximum Carnage in Comic Book, Terrific Team Up, Savage Mansion, and a Human Citizen Treasure Token. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you guys again next time. I hope you have a great rest of your day.